15th of August beckons us to begin our journey by traveling back in time to the fateful stroke of the midnight hour on the 15th of August 1947. That was the day when our glorious nation, the home to the world's oldest continuous civilization, was reborn. The shackles of centuries of colonial rule had finally been broken. The fluttering of the tricolour on the ramparts of the Red Fort heralded a new beginning. This new beginning came after a long and arduous struggle for independence at a cost that cannot be calculated. It is well nigh impossible to say when and where our struggle for independence began, but the sounding of the bugle of the First War of Indian Independence in 1857 was undoubtedly a watershed event. The flame that the brave warriors ignited kept burning till India's eventual independence on the 15th of August 1947. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. Innumerable Indian women and men broke the barriers of caste and creed, religion and region to participate in many known and unknown movements and events in the long march of our freedom struggle. From a clarion call for Swarajya to the adoption of Swadeshi, from the Khilafat movement to the non-cooperation movement, from civil rebellions, peasant movements, and tribal uprisings, to the heroic deeds of the undaunted revolutionaries and the Indian National Army, from Jallianwala Bagh to Dandi, from the civil disobedience movement to the Quit India movement, generations of our freedom fighters changed the course of history through their tireless striving for the freedom of their India. The atrocities of the British Raj and the relentless plundering of the proverbial golden bird had left behind a battered nation, a divided land, and millions of refugees. But that is a story for another day. For India and Indians, it was time to unite and build a united India. It is incumbent upon us to pay homage to the women and men who fought for our freedom by building an incredible India that they would have been proud of. Sare jahan se acha Hindostan hamara. Jaya Hind.